Today, I want to talk about real estate lead generation, but specifically how to make a lead generation strategy work from the perspective of your leads so that you can really get more opt-ins than whatever you're doing right now. By the way, if you haven't met me yet, my name is Emmanuel. Hello there. I am the founder and senior brand strategist over here at Square One Group, where really our mission is to help you identify your expertise and then help you scale your real estate business using systems. Topic for today is all about real estate lead generation because let's face it, it is one of the most searched phrases on Google right now. You name it, real estate lead generation companies, real estate lead gen strategy, real estate lead gen system, real estate lead gen websites. The list can go on and on. Anyway, I really wanted to make this video because the solution to whatever lead gen problem you're facing, it's really not that hard. It's just 100% really being misunderstood. So the easy way for me to explain this is to really help you understand that there's a spectrum between risk and time. And understanding where whatever you're doing falls on that spectrum is really the sweet spot to getting leads to opt into your world. So let me hop into my iPad real quick, shall we? I'll kind of visualize this for you, okay? Okay, let's imagine a little bit of a graph here, all right? And on the x-axis, we're gonna put risk, and then on the y-axis, we are going to put time, all right? Okay, so back in the day, a lot of real estate agents used to capture leads by dangling and I'll put it right here, free. Now, the thing about a free consultation is that your leads, they know that if they sign up for a free consultation, they are potentially gonna be stuck on a phone call with you for maybe about an hour, and they are inevitably going to be sold to. And that really just means that this is a high risk and high time investment activity for this lead. And because of that, they're probably not gonna opt into a free consultation. That's likely the reason why this type of strategy for lead generation does not work at all anymore. So let's just highlight this and kind of mark this one in red. No go. Now, on the other hand, something that's a little bit more low risk but still high on the time investment kind of scale is something like a webinar. Now, this may not be a direct sales pitch, but a webinar is still really, if you really look at it, it's high, it may be low on the risk, but high on the time investment kind of scale. I mean, really think about this and put yourself into your lead shoes. How often have you stuck around to watch an entire 30 to 45 minute webinar? Probably next to never. So this is likely not an effective strategy for you as well, just because, hey, if you won't do it, chances are your leads won't either. So let's red box this idea as well. Now, conversely, on the flip side, you actually have something or there's something that's been done that's a low time investment, but also high risk. And really, that's the form of a free newsletter. Now, here's the thing with a free newsletter, or I'm sure you've seen it. Sign up for my newsletter and I'll email you updates and market reports every single week or every single month. Now, no one wants to receive emails, especially emails from a complete stranger. It's already bad enough that they get a ton of emails as it is. Them getting more emails from you, even though they don't really know who you are, it's just gonna clutter up their inbox. So this is as well a no-go strategy. So let's redline the box. So what is something that can kind of live in this low risk, low time investment section of this matrix? Well, it's actually really easy. Now, what you're gonna wanna create that is a low risk and low time investment opportunity for your potential leads is no more than a lead magnet. This, my friends, is the sweet spot. So you may be wondering, what exactly is a lead magnet? Well, these are things like a PDF checklist or maybe joining a Facebook group. Think of something that they can opt into very, very quickly that they can really get to either now or maybe later. Now, I explain this to you simply because all you need to do and really understand when it comes to generating leads online is that you just need to create something that is very specific to your avatar that is both low on the risk and low on a time investment that they can opt into. And once you've figured out what that thing is, you'll be able to increase your lead generation exponentially and actually pretty easily. And I do have one last thing to note on this. It's that lead magnets, they tend to go stale fairly quickly. So you have to keep in mind with whatever you're gonna create and dangle that's low risk, low time investment, it's going to be something that you're going to constantly need to drum up new ideas for. Like really kind of putting together a cadence to doing this on a regular basis, like a monthly basis. I mean, if you ask any professional doing this for a living, they're going to tell you that assets, they go stale and they need to be updated. And that's really the purpose of why A/B testing and creating new collateral is so important. And it's part of really what they're supposed to be doing as a service to you if you decide to hire a professional to really manage your ads. By the way, if you want to jam on a little bit more about this, then we highly recommend that you join our free Facebook group, the link in the description below. We jam on all things about lead generation and lead magnets and help you come up with some cool ideas and kind of brainstorm from there. And if you enjoyed this video and found some true value for it, please, if you don't mind, give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button so you get some notifications for future videos. But aside from that, check out this video here. Later.